holding wood when things get rough. N is for newspaper, black and white, full of stories day and night. N is for objects one by one. Learning N is so much fun. Now we know them, yes we do. N is special, just like you.
Strong and true. It starts some fun words just for you. Tiger, train, and turtle too. Let's learn T, me, and you. T is for tiger, big and loud, roaring strong and walking proud. T is for train, on a track, chugga chugga clickety clack. T is for turtle, slow and shy, carrying his house as he walks by. T is for table, where we eat, with little chairs and tiny feet. T is terrific, strong and neat. It starts the words that sound so sweet. From turtle to train, from top to tree, the letter T is fun, you see. T is for toothbrush, up and down, cleaning teeth all around town. T is for tent, we take to camp, we light it up with a little lamp. T is for tree, so tall and green, with birds and nests that can be seen. T is for toes that tap and play. Let's dance with T all day. T is terrific, now you know. Say it fast or say it slow. Time to cheer and clap with glee. T is special, just like me.
Sing along with me. Buzz, 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 the busy bee, flying fast from tree to tree. She makes sweet honey, works all day, then rests when the skies turn gray. March, 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 the tiny ant, carrying food, she's strong, not in a line they never stop, from the ground to the mountain top. Creepy crawly flying by, bugs are buzzing through the sky. Tiny friends from leaf to tree, come and sing along with me. Flutter, soft and bright, wings like rainbows in the light. She lands on flowers, oh so sweet, dancing gently with her feet. Hop, 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 the grasshopper goes, leaping high with mighty toes. He sings a song